has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near East Windsor, Oregon,
and power lines. Locations affected include Northampton, Deerfield.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Northampton, Deerfield, Hadley, Hatfield, Williamsburg, Huntington, Buckland, Conway, Shelburne, Ashfield, Coleraine, West Hampton, Whately, Charlemont, Chesterfield, Worthington, Goshen, Cummington, Heath, and Plainfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Franklin, Massachusetts.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WMG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 MHz from Paquonagh in Peterborough, New Hampshire. The 4 p.m. weather observations across New England. At Portland, mostly sunny 82. Freiburg, sunny 88. Wisconsin, partly sunny 82. Augusta, cloudy 82. Bangor was partly sunny and 75.
Scared the hell out of me.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 6 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Florida, or near North Adams, 80 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Expect damage per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenfield, Deerfield, Monroe, Williamsburg, Bernabston, Buckland, Conway, Shelburne, Ashfield, Coleraine, Whately, Charlemont, Goshen, Cummington, Lyden, Heath, Plainfield, Rowe, and Hawley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Franklin, Massachusetts. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WMG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 MHz.
Scared the fuck out of me. No IM bot notification at all. God damn. Why is this not getting a circle?
2. Bangor was partly sunny and 75. And in Caribou, cloudy 73. In New Hampshire, Portsmouth reported partly sunny. The temperature was...
Whatever.
At Concord, it was partly sunny and the temperature was 90 degrees.
Still can't believe this works.
In Lebanon, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of...
Pretty cool.
Central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, east central Hamden County in western Massachusetts, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Worcester County, or 8 miles southeast of Amherst, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour
with gusts and quarter-sized hail.
60 miles per
Hail
hour
damage
with
to
gusts and
vehicles is
quarter-sized
expected.
hail.
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
Impact.
Locations
Hail
impacted
damage to
include
vehicles is
Amherst,
expected.
Ludlow, Belchertown,
Wind damage
Wilbraham,
to trees
Palmer,
and power
Spencer,
lines.
Ware, Granby,
Locations
Derry,
impacted
Warren,
include
North Brookfield,
Ludlow,
Hubbardston, West Brookfield, Hardwick,
Palmer, Spencer, Ware, Granby, Derry, Warren, North Brookfield, Hubbardston, West Brookfield, Hardwick, Oakham, Shutesbury, Phillipston, Pelham, Peter Sam, and New Braintree. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin and Worcester.
The 5 p.m. weather observations across New England. At Portland, mostly sunny 80. Freiburg, sunny 89. Winds, mostly sunny 82. Augusta, mostly sunny 82. Bangor was partly sunny at 75. Covington, Lancaster, Lakeville, Rowe, and Albany. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern... The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, southern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Berlin, or over New Britain, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, East Hartford, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Wethersfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Bloomfield, Berlin, Rocky Hill, Avon, Plainville, and Ellington.
Where's the source and call to action? Biggest pet peeve of no other radio. It's not that hard. Norman.
Southeastern Franklin and East Central Hamilton counties will expire at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The storm. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wyndham County in northern Connecticut, northern Tallinn
Find
County
out.
in northern Connecticut, southern Worcester County in central
Southern.
Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire
Not quite
County
us.
in western Massachusetts, northwestern Providence County in Rhode Island until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A line of severe thunderstorms was located over Southbridge, or 19 miles southwest of Worcester, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60
coming in
miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail.
She's coming in quick.
Expect damage to trees. Per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail.
That's not a good idea.
To trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Shrewsbury, Vernon, Grafton, Holden, Webster, Southbridge, Auburn, Earlville, Northbridge, Ellington, Tallinn, Oxford, Uxbridge, Newbury, Charlton, Coventry, Stafford, North Smithfield, and Spencer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash
This is
flooding.
not the safest.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts.
Holy moly, brother.
This is no weather radio station.
I'm gonna step this away.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wyndham County in northern Connecticut, southern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, east Central Worcester County in northern Connecticut until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Coventry or near Vernon, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Manchester, Glastonbury, Vernon, Mansfield, Wyndham, Plainfield, Willimantic, Killingly, Tolland, Coventry, Hebron, Putnam, Thompson, Marlborough, Willington, Columbia, Canterbury, and Bolton.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, western Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, south central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts.
A thunderstorm warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, western Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, south central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm per hour. Hazards include 60 miles in power lines. Expect damages include Framingham, Natick, Franklin, Needham, Milford, Wellesley, Walpole, Westboro, Grafton, Foxborough, Ashland, Bellingham, Northbridge, Hopkinton, Holliston, Uxbridge, Medway, Medfield, Norfolk, and Windham. For your protection, move to the National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe western Norfolk County in eastern County in northeastern 45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, western Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Ashland, Bellingham, Eastern Daylight Time, 45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Northbridge or near Milford, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Framingham, Natick, Franklin, Needham, Milford, Wellesley, Walpole, Westboro, Grafton, Foxborough, Ashland, Bellingham, Northbridge, Hopkinton, Holliston, Uxbridge, Medway, Medfield, Norfolk, and Windham.
I don't know why the lighting on this camera looks blue all of a sudden, but whoa, no EMs. There you go. Okay, that was weird. There was a pause and then only 2 EOM tones. I'm not quite sure why the lighting on the camcorder now all of a sudden looks blue. Like background. But, whatever. I wonder if maybe a lighting change or something like that? Yeah, somehow it worked. Interesting. What are y'all doing?
Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wyndham County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northern Providence County in Rhode Island until 8 p.m. Moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarters east at 25 miles per hour. Wind damage to trees and power lines. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Woonsocket, Cumberland, Franklin, Smithfield, Lincoln, Bellingham, Bernalville, Uxbridge, North Smithfield, and Worcester County in central Massachusetts, south. For your protection,
until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
That's cooked.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m.
Hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Massachusetts.
What's in there?
Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northern Providence County in Rhode Island, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ransom, daylight time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Burrillville, or 10 miles west of Woonsocket, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Woonsocket, Cumberland, Franklin, Smithfield, Lincoln, Bellingham, Burrillville, Osbridge, North Smithfield, Rentham, Gloucester, Thompson, Blackstone, Douglas, Mendon, and Millville.
We're gonna wait if these Rhode Island stations go. Both going at the same exact time. That's insane.
The
National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern winds
in northern Connecticut, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northern Providence County in Rhode Island until 8
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Burrillville, 10 miles west of Woonsocket, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Woonsocket, Cumberland, Franklin, Smithfield, Lincoln, Bellingham, Burrillville, Osbridge, North Smithfield, Rentham, Gloucester, Thompson, Blackstone, Douglas, Mendon, and Millville.
Nearly the exact same time.
Skinny girl.
Thunderstorms until midnight, then a chance of shower 75. Gusty winds from the evening. Saturday through Sunday.
Oh, I could have gotten extra 39.
Thunderstorm 75. Providence will.
Oh, getting all 7 stations right now too. Cool. Not bad. Not bad.
The next morning.
I had a feeling that Gray would go first.
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast is a very good distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday. If there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day.
Unrecognized message.
We now return to our regular programming. The current time is 11:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here are the 11 a.m. reports.
Yeah, something told me that Gray would be going first. I think it's one of those weeks where Norton has just completely forgotten it's Wednesday. I forgot to turn the motor roll on. Fuck.
Was reported the temperature was 52 and the wind was wet.
It's Wednesday.
This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is
And same alert systems.
Where the fuck did I put my camcorder? Whatever.
The temperature was 75 degrees.
Okay. 31 minutes late compared to their usual time. What the fuck? Whatever. I mean, they still tested, so I'll take it.